I was in medical device sales. One day I was a little disenchanted with what I was doing. I saw a LinkedIn ad and I thought this was my buddy's company. So I picked up the phone and called Doug Brown in Colorado and said, hey, what's the deal with this Citywide thing? Doug was completely upfront and just opened up everything. So everything's been a reality. Did I think this was gonna be easy? No. I came into it with very, very little money, and somebody told me sales outruns all problems. And since I've been a professional salesperson, up and down the street, knocking on doors, not afraid to ask anybody for money, there was always that person in the back of my head saying, don't worry about it, you can outsell it. And that's exactly what I've done. We're a company that, one, cares in an industry where it's a lot of redundancy and a lot of people that just go through the motions. Two, we are really kind of sit on the same side of the desk as them. I know it's kind of a cliche that we use around here, but we truly feel like that our business model allows us to look out for the best interest of their facility, just like they do. Seeing a customer who you can tell likes you, but they may not trust you right now, but then you come in and you prove yourself and you do what you say you're gonna do, then you see them accept you, trust you, and then they want to give you more business, more opportunities. That's really refreshing. It gives me opportunity, and financially, I won't have to worry about things. My family's going to be set, and I'll have the opportunity to bring my family in when they become of age and it's the right time. So all these things Citywide has afforded me to do.